Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for slow cooker jambalaya. Well, it also has beans in it, so it's kind of a mashup between jambalaya and red beans and rice. Since, well, you don't put the rice in the slow cooker, but you serve the jambalaya. It's called like a faux jambalaya since it's not, traditional. Well, it's sort of traditional, but it's not, exactly New Orleans style. So I hope you enjoy watching it. I didn't talk while I filmed it since my family was home. So if you have any questions, let me know and I'll respond back. And thanks for watching. Here's my jambalaya while it's still cooking. I just opened the lid and stirred everything around a bit. And the frozen vegetables produce some liquid, but it's really delicious over the rice that you can serve it with. And it's kind of more like a soup or stew. So, I mean, if you don't want the liquid, you don't have to eat it, but it's really comforting. I've made this a few times, so I'd recommend cooking it. You can cook it on low for 5 to 6 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. And if you want, when it's done, you can leave it setting on warm and it'll keep for a while. So really good, so try it out. So to go with my jambalaya, I'm going to be using this Trader Joe's frozen brown rice. It comes with 3 microwave pouches and they're 10 ounces each. And here are the directions. I haven't tried the stovetop version, but the microwave version, it comes out really well. And you can't really tell it comes from a microwave. So if you want, you can try this brown rice to go with the jambalaya, or you can make a white rice either in a rice cooker or on the stove. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe video, and if you like it, hopefully you try it out. It's really easy just to put it all in your slow cooker and, do your other chores while you wait for your delicious dinner to be ready. For the seasonings, you can kind of put whatever you want in it, and the amounts are up to you. You can also make it, more spicy by adding red pepper flakes or cayenne pepper. My family doesn't really like too much spicy food, so I kind of kept it plain. And so for the seasonings, if you're just starting out, just start with, a teaspoon of what I showed you, And also remember to put in some salt and pepper to taste. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks.